Hello, I'm back again and you're watching YouTube channel. And this video is the sequel to the Game of Dice user interface. I'll be finishing the rest of the other menus in this video. So then, let's get started with the shop menu. You can buy gems here using real money via PayPal or credit card, gold via gems, and also some special packages such as this starter package that has gems, characters, skill cards, and other items to be used in battle. Please do take note that this package can only be bought once per account and does not increase your VIP XP. The character menu. This is where you can buy or draw characters using either gems or gold. Equip one character, combine two max level characters to obtain a higher star level character, or just sell them. You can also see all the characters in-game together with their stats. To obtain a 5-star character, you will need to combine two max level 4-star characters. Then, for the 5-star gold characters, two max level 5-star character is needed to be combined. Two max level 5-star gold character for the platinum. Lastly, two max level platinum character for the diamond character. The resulting character is random unless you combine two of the same characters. The result will be the same character you have used for combining. Here are the other characters. Alright. Then on the dice menu. Here is where you can draw dice fragments with the use of gems or gold. Using gems will give you a higher number of dice fragments. The dice fragments are then used to create or enhance your dice. Alright, let's try to use gems. As you can see, it gives you a random amount of dice fragments.
This one is incredible.
Dice is what you will use to roll and move your character around the board. It also gives awesome effects that trigger under certain conditions. I will explain further about dice effects in-game for better understanding for my gameplay and strategical game of dice videos. You can also obtain free items daily from dice that reach the star level condition to obtain these free items. Then on the fragment storage is where you can see how many fragments you currently have. These fragments are used for creating or enhancing different type of dice and some items for crafting as well, which I will explain a bit later. On with the skill card menu. This is where you can build your deck and draw skill cards using gems or gold. Skill cards have different effects in battle and conditions to be able to use it. These are the ones that can really turn the game around the most. There are exactly 68 skill cards already and are still increasing. We'll further explain their uses on my gameplay and strategical videos. For now, just wanted to show you the difference between the starting cards and supplementary cards. The starting cards are cards that you can already use on the very first turn of the game. You can use one skill card for every turn. And on the first turn, these starting cards are the ones that are already at your hand. You can have a total of 3 starting cards. While the supplementary cards are cards that appears one by one for every 4 turns in the game. In total, there are 25 turns for every game. So it's possible to be able to use all your skill cards from your deck in one whole game, if ever all the turns are used. For every premium draw of skill cards, you are given luxury points to be used on the luxury shop to obtain more rare skill cards. Do take note that we're only gonna give a sneak peek on the craft menu for now, since it's a newly added feature of Game of Dice just last December 21st, 2K15. Anyway, in this menu is where you can craft so many different types of items such as skill cards, characters, tickets, joy, and other items for crafting as well. We'll also explain this on my other videos in more detailed information. As you can see, there are a lot of craft items to be crafted from the normal, time-limited, and VIP category. Lastly, the guild menu. This is where you can create your own guild or join other players' guild. Well, that's it for all the menus and introduction for Game of Dice. Next videos will now be mostly about mechanics of the game, gameplay, and strategical videos. So tune in and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates and learn a lot of tips as well in playing Game of Dice. Thank you, and I'm out.